Meaning of done.
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 Done. Done is a state of completion or achievement of a particular task or goal. It indicates that all necessary actions have been taken and the desired end result has been achieved. It signifies the successful conclusion of an activity or project, which typically involves meeting or exceeding predetermined objectives. The feeling of accomplishment associated with being done is often accompanied by a sense of satisfaction, relief, and pride. Overall, done represents the successful attainment of a desired outcome through deliberate actions and perseverance.